Hello, we're going to do a maths cast now on utility bill exam questions. So you might not know really what these are, but these are basically GCSE exam practice. I've noticed this question seems to come up quite a lot now in exams, so I wanted to go over one and make a video on it. So let's have a look at the question. The question says, Redeem checks his water bill. The old reading is 3,621 units. The new reading is 4,017 units. The price per bill is 32p. How much is the bill? So as I said, I've seen this question come up in the last couple of exams, so we wanted to look at a video on it. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to work out how many units he uses. So we want to know the difference between these two numbers. So this would probably be on the non-calculator paper, so I'm going to do all of this without a calculator. So we're going to do 4017 subtract 3621. Again, without a calculator. So 7 take away 1 is 6. 1 take away 2 can't do, so I need to borrow. We'll borrow from the 4, making it a 3. Makes that a 10. We'll borrow from the 10, making it a 9, which makes that an 11. So 11 take away 2 is 9. 9 take away 6 is 3. And 3 take away 3 is 0. So the first thing I worked out is that Redeem uses 396 units in the time that they give. Now it says in the question that each unit costs 32p. So all I need to do now is times this number by 32p, and that will tell me how much the bill will be. Well, the way I'm going to do it today, like I did in a video before on long multiplication, is with the grid method. So I'm going to multiply my number 396. So we put that across the top as 390 and a 6. And I want to multiply that by 32. So I'm going to write 30 and 2. And I want to multiply all of these numbers in my table together. So I'll change my colour to make so that we can see what we're doing. Right, so first box, we're going to do 30 times the 300. Well, the 3 times the 3 is 9, and the 3 zeros on the end. Then we're going to do 300 times the 2 in this box here. Well, 300 times 2 is 600. We're going to do 30 times 90 in this box. Well, 3 times 9 is 27, and there'll be 2 zeros, 1 from each of there. Then we're doing 2 times 90. Well, 2 times 90 is 180. Then we're going to do 30 times 6, which is 180. 2 times 6 is 12. And we need to add together all of these numbers we've just worked out. So we're going to add up the 9,000, the 2,700, the 600, the 180, another 180, and then the 12. So I've got to carefully add up these numbers. Because remember, this question will probably be on the non-calculator paper. So let's add up these numbers. In this column, we'll have a 2, 0, 0, 0, 8, and 8 is 16. Add another 1 is 17. Put a 7 there, carry the 1. 1, add 7 is 8. Add 6 is 14. Add another 1 is 15. Add another 1 is 16. So we put a 6 there, carry the 1. 1 and 9 is 10. Add 2 is 12. So we can put a 2 there, carry the 1, which goes in the next column. So that number there is how much the bill will be in pence. So we need to now change that into pounds, because that's not really a sensible number. And we know if we change it into pounds, it has to have 2 decimal places. So it will be £126 and 72p. So the gas bill will cost £126.72p. So all we did to answer this question is we worked out the difference between the two readings, and then we times it by the price that they gave us, And we were just careful when we were doing that using the grid method. There's other ways to do it as well. As long as you get the right answer, you'll get the marks. So I've prepared a couple more questions because they don't just have to be water bills. They could be any other bills. So there's quite a few questions here for you to have a go at. Good luck.